Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by determining scratch depth because your choice of method depends on it. Use good light and run your fingernail across the mark. If it catches, treat more aggressively. Once identified, clean the area with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth to remove oils. This improves adhesion and visibility. Next, mask off nearby vents and seams to protect trim, then wet sand only if the scratch reaches the clear coat. Otherwise, skip sanding and move straight to polishing. You should sand subtly and evenly if needed. Hold the paper flat and glide in one direction, keeping the panel wet to avoid heat and gouges. Once the surface looks uniformly dull, switch to a plastic-specific polish or fine rubbing compound on a foam pad and work in overlapping circles. This restores texture and clarity. Make sure to apply moderate pressure and inspect often. If the scratch fades but doesn't disappear, repeat light polishing rather than aggressive sanding to avoid thinning the dashboard. Once the scratch is minimized, remove residue and apply a thin layer of UV protective conditioner to restore color and prevent future fading. Buff lightly with a clean microfiber for even finish. Make sure to choose a matte product if your dash is non-glossy, because silicone dressings can attract dust and hide defects. If the scratch still shows or the surface is gouged, consider a plastic filler or professional dash panel replacement. And if you get uneven texture, stop and seek expert help to avoid worsening the appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.